Good morning, children. Welcome. Today we are going to revise for our exams. Are you ready for your exams? What is this? I can or I can't do it. It is not about taking your exams. It is about I can do my exams with integrity because God trusts me. Okay? I don't think my children belong to the category of I can't do without copying. You are different children. Please do your exams with integrity. Okay, let's go into today's class. Today we are going to revise ledger. So, what is the first point? The format of your ledger. How many sides ledger has? Two sides, the debit side and the credit side. What is the format? Debit side, date, particulars, JF, amount. Credit side, the same thing again, date, particulars, JF, amount. Okay, I hope you remember your format. Now, prepare Anand's account from the following details. They are asking you to prepare only Anand's account. Let's see how to do it. Can you see the first one says credit balance of Anand's account. So when you're doing your Anand's account, you have to start on the credit side as by balance brought down. As by balance brought down and the amount. Okay. The other things are simple. Amount paid to Anand. What are the two rules? One is in Anand's account, Anand should not come again. See what is the next account. Number one. The second one is the next account, the other account. If it is debited in journal, credited in ledger. If it is credited in journal, debited in ledger. Simple. Okay, children? And then you know how to balance your account. Always debit should be equal to credit. See which side is heavier. Find out the difference where there is a lesser amount. Place the amount there and finish your account. Clear? Right. See Anand's account now. Can you see? It starts with by balance brought down. Because it said Anand's account has a credit balance. And then to cash account 2000, to cash account 3960, to discount account 40. Right. On the credit side, by purchases account 8000, by purchases account 5000. How did I get this 11,000? Yes. What do you have to do? See which side is heavier. The total of the credit side is 17,000. Now we want the debit side also to be 17,000. So what you have to do? Add this and minus it from 17,000. You get a balance carried down of 11,000. Clear? You're able to understand? Very easy, isn't it? Now let's solve a full problem. Okay. Journalize the following transactions and post them to ledger. How many questions you have? You have two questions. You have to write the journal entry and then you have to post to the ledger. Okay. First one, cash in hand. Do you write a journal entry for the opening entry? No. Very good. So, for this, you will not write a journal entry. It is the opening balance of cash in hand, which means that is the closing balance of the previous month. Now, you are going to prepare for July. So, that is the closing balance of June. Okay, children. There is no transaction. You are just bringing in the closing entry as the opening balance. Clear? Next one. Goods purchased by cash. What is the journal entry? Purchases account debtor to cash account. Insurance paid. Income or expense? Debit or credit? Very good. So the entry is insurance account debtor to cash account. Machinery purchased for cash. Machinery purchase. When they specify what they have purchased, what you should not do? You should not take it as purchases. You have to take it as machinery. Machinery account debtor to cash account. Right. Interest received. Income or expense? Income. Debit or credit? Credit. What comes in? Cash comes in. So what is the entry? Cash account debtor to interest account. Goods sold for cash. Cash account debtor to sales account. Okay, children, any doubts? So here is the journal entry. Remember the format? What is the format? Date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. Don't forget to write the format correctly. Okay. See. First one, purchases account debtor to cash account. 50,000, 50,000. And what is a narration? An explanation of what is a journal entry. Goods purchase. Insurance account debtor to cash account. 30,000, 30,000. Paid insurance. Right. Then machinery account debtor 9,000 to cash account 9,000. Purchased machinery. Cash account debtor 2,000 to interest account 2,000. Interest received. Cash account debtor 7,000 to sales account 7,000. Sold goods. Clear, children? Any doubts till this? Let's see the cash account. Remember the format of your ledger account? Yes. Can you see? To balance brought down 50,000. Right. And then to interest account 2,000, to sales account 7,000, by purchases account 30,000, by insurance account 2,500, by machinery account 9,000. Now which side is heavier? Very good. This side is heavier, 59,000. Right. And then what you have to do? Add all this and minus from 59,000. When you add all this, you are getting 41,500. For 59,000 minus 41,500, you get 17,500. That is your closing cash balance. Right? You're able to understand. So when I have my balance carried down on the credit side, yes, the brought down should be on the debit side. Okay? Closing balance and then the opening balance. Can you see? I have highlighted the total with pink, 59,000, 59,000. No need to highlight in your notebook. Just draw lines for the total on both the sides. The total should be on the same line. The total should be on the same line. It cannot be one on the fourth line, the other one on the sixth line. Always your total should be on the same line. See to it. No need to highlight. Just underline your total. When you underline your total, you are saying this is the total. Clear, children? The next account we are going to see is purchases account. Can you see? To cash account 50,000. And then since we have only one purchase transaction, we don't have anything else. We have to close the account. Okay? You don't have anything to be written on the credit side. So, on the credit side, to balance carried down 50,000 and then the total on both the sides carried down. So, brought down 50,000. The closing balance of this month will be the opening balance of the next month. Okay? Right. What is the next account? Insurance account. Paid insurance. Remember? Insurance account debtor to cash account. So, in my insurance account, I should not write insurance. To cash account 30,000. Since there is only one insurance transaction, I am closing the account. By balance carried down 30,000. Total on both the sides. And the closing balance is taken up as the opening balance for the next month. Clear, children? You are able to follow me. Let's see the next account, that is machinery account. Machinery account data to cash account was your journal entry. So in my machinery account, I should not write machinery. To cash account 9,000. Since I have only one transaction, closing the account as buy balance carried down 9,000, total on both the sides. The closing balance will be taken up as the opening balance for the next month. Right? Okay. Next one, interest account. Interest account. Interest received. So cash account data to interest account. In my interest account, I should not write interest. Cash account was debited in journal entry. So it has to be credited. By cash account 2,000. Only one transaction. So I had to close the account, write the total, and the closing balance should be taken up as the opening balance. Okay, children? Next one, sales account. Sales account, cash account data to sales account. Right, cash account data debited there. So it has to be credited in your ledger. By cash account 7,000. Since it's only one transaction, close the account. To balance carried down 7,000. Total on both the sides, and then by balance brought down. That is the opening balance for the next month. Clear, children? You're able to understand? That is all about your ledger accounts.
Revision time over. So next it is our duty to sit and learn.
I think we have to call even our friends to come for the Zoom.
Yes, Miss was telling it is a joyful session. Yes, of course. We learn it with fun.
Let us ask our friends also to come.
Okay, wish you all the best. Do your exams well.
See you. Bye bye.
If you have any doubts again, ask in the Zoom class. When we revise these lessons, you can still question the teacher and clear your doubts. Let's together, we'll make this learning a joyful one, children. So even tell your friends to come for the Zoom class where we can learn together. Okay, so kindly learn for your exam. When you learn and you do well, you'll be blessed. Thank you. Stay safe. God bless you.